let's try a little face tracking then. If I go back, is it on me? And if I come right up close, let's zoom in a bit. 18. I think that's got me. Now I'm using a monitor so I can see what's going on, which is why occasionally I look down, but you shall see if the face tracking is working well with the Fringer and the 10 to 18. I'm pretty confident, to be fair. Let's put the glasses on and see what happens. Does it look in focus to you? Is it fairly negligible? If I go really close, this bike's gonna cause a big shadow and the sun's gonna get me, but whatever, let's go really close. Oh, not bad. See? Shadow. But I think it's got me, and you can actually see there. We go back. We go right back. What do you reckon? We're gonna do some more tests, and I'll throw up all my tests because I think this thing deserves a lot more play than this one video will show. I mean, potentially I'll be throwing a few little bits and pieces for you to see over the time, so stay tuned, stay subscribed.